Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about the what is cross filter function index and how it works here. First, we'll show what is cross filter function. A cross filter is a function in Power BI that determines the direction of cross filtering to be utilized in a calculation for a two-column relationship. Basically, it is used to change the direction of relationship in data models here. The function leverages existing relationship in the model to specify the cross-filtered direction for the indicated relationship, distinguishing the relationship by their ending point columns. And now this function can be used with other basic functions in Power BI such as the calculate function. And its syntax is the cross-filter, column name 1, column name 2, direction. Basically, column name indicate here the joint column between two. So we'll see here in more detail. So this is in our report view here. We'll see what is cross filter direction index here. So this is one of the table having count and count of the customer key here. Here we can see we are trying to get the number of customer country wise here. But here it is showing the same number for all the country. Why it is happening? So we'll go to the data model here. Now, so this is our customer table. It is joined through sales table and it is going from customer to sales. Mean customer is up and sales is down. Now this is the territory column here. It is connected through the sales table. And here it is joined means one to many relationship here. And it is going from territory to sales. But now we have to get the number of customer in the territory and we are trying to get the detail from customers here. So means we are going from territory through sales, but we from sales we have to go customer, but we can't go because here this is the one way means coming from the customer to sales here. If you see here, when we can see its property here. So now what is the way? If we change the means we'll try to go from sales to customer. So we'll change its direction here. So let's try how it works. We can see sales here. This is the customer key. This is the customer column. Here customer key here. But cross filter direction here single. So we'll make it both. Now okay. Now we can see here. Now it is the both cross filter direction. Means both the direction means we can go from sales to customer and we can also go from customer to sales here. So now we'll see what is it effect here in the report view. So now here we can see like we can see the number of customer in the country wise for like for Australia it is 2565, Canada 986, France 983 and total sum is 18148. But what is the problem here? Since we have changed the means its direction from single to both, so it will affect performance of our model and our model will make slow. Now here our problem is solved, but as a result, our model will slow. So, what is the other alternate way here? What we can do? But anyway, we have to find the customer as per the territory without touching the cross filter direction. So, what we can do here? So now, in order to do that, we will use the DAX function called as cross filter direction here. Now we'll see how it works. So first, change its direction back to the single property. Both single. Now again it is back to the single direction customer to sales only we can go. Now come here to the report view here. Now we will use the DAX function cross filter. For that here new measure Here we'll see, write the measure TG per country equal to calculate count customers. Here we'll take this customer key, cross filter, customers, customer key, sales, customer key. Now in the last important is the direction, whether we'll use the single direction or both direction. Since we have to go from sales to customer, so we'll take the both direction here as a safer side. Yes. Now we can see TG per country is equal to calculate count customers key after the cross filter function, customer key, then sales customer key here. So under cross filter direction we have to mention the join column between two, means customer and sales here. So using cross filter function we are hindering the cross filter direction in the model. So let's run it. Now it's created here and see here. Now we are getting the same results here without means changing the property of the relationship in the model view here. Like target customer per country wise, same result. Australia it is 2565, Canada to 986, France 983. So here by using the cross filter direction in the cross filter function in the measure in the DAX, we can hinder the cross filter direction property here. So we are getting the same results without affecting the performance of our model. So this is all about the cross filter direction in the DAX. So please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.